If your camera or monitor are not connected out of the box, here's how you pair them. First, make sure your camera is fully charged. Press and hold the pair button to turn on the camera. Now, press and hold the button again until the blue LED flashes 5 times. On your monitor, go to Menu, select Pair, and choose Rear Camera. Once paired, your system is ready to go. Let's quickly go through how to connect your second camera for front and rear coverage. The add-on camera is sold separately. Please see the description below for the compatibility list. First, make sure your add-on camera is fully charged. Press and hold the pair button until the blue LED flashes continuously. On your monitor, go to Menu, select Pair, and choose Front Camera. And just like that, you now have a split screen view for front and rear coverage. If your camera isn't holding a charge, or if your camera's solar charging seems slow, here's what you do. Use the included micro USB cable to connect the camera to a wall plug for charging. We recommend avoiding laptop USB ports as they may not provide enough power. Leave the camera charging overnight to ensure it's fully charged. If your monitor suction cup keeps falling off the windshield, here's how you fix it. Start by wiping the spot on the windshield where you'll install the suction cup using a microfiber cloth. This ensures a clean, dust-free surface for better suction. The monitor is quite heavy, so letting the dashboard support its weight can help the suction cup last longer. Alternatively, you can use the supplied adhesive disc and install the entire setup directly on top of the dashboard for a more secure hold. If the problem persists, go ahead and email us at info@typesauto.com or go ahead and leave a comment below. We're here to help. Subscribe for more tips and tricks at Type S Auto.